Hello guys! I'm sharing with you how I make this Chinese cold noodles. So ito yung butter ng cold noodles, and then I make a spinach flavor and a plain flavor here guys. So sinistim po yan siya. Tapos titingnan nyo lang siya yung magda-dry na yung yun, tatanggalin nyo na siya. So yan siya guys, need to cut into strips, and then you need to make also a soya sauce, vinegar, and a bit of sesame oil for the sauce, and then pound garlic. Yun lang yung sauce niyan guys. And then you need to shred also cucumber for the vegetables. So yung cucumber yung vegetables nito, and then chili garlic. So Chinese chili garlic guys. So masarap siya kasi pag maanghang-anghang. Pwede din siya kung ayaw nyo ng maanghang, pwede din siyang hindi nyo nalagyan ng chili. So, ayan yung paggawa ko ng Chinese cold noodles. So, napaka-easy lang nito guys gawin. So, ito yung spinach guys flavors. At ito naman yung plain flavor. So, ito yung sauce na sinasabi kong soya sauce, vinegar, and sesame oil. And then, ito yung pound garlic. Ganyanin nyo guys. And then, ito naman yung shredded cucumber. So, yan lang guys. And may chili na. Then, you mix. And that's it. Yan lang. Napakadaling gawin guys.